Turkish lira continues to weaken against the US dollar. Dollar lira is up over 4% this week so far, adding up to over 15% in the last 4 weeks. Now, let's bring up a chart now of dollar lira to see how it's performing. And this is the weekly chart. And as you can see, the pair continues to strengthen to the upside. Most of this move has come on the back of that reluctance from President Erdogan to acknowledge the need to combat inflation in the short term. He is a firm believer that in order to combat this rise in inflation, he needs to aid consumers in the economy by lowering rates, which he believes it's misguided to actually hike interest rates to combat consumption and therefore combat inflation. So this misguided monetary policy that he's inflicting on the central bank of the country is causing the lira to weaken, as you can see, especially here against the US dollar, heading towards those highs. Now, if you're looking for resistance in the short term, this area here, 17, 18, 29, this is the high that we saw back here on the week of the 13th of December, before we saw that strong rally towards the highs at 1847. It seems to be like we are hitting that area this week. Keep an eye out for here. If we see a little bit of resistance, we may see some pullback towards this, towards the lower levels that we've seen. But all in all, it looks like the guidance here for the dollar against the lira is to continue to rise, especially as we see Erdogan keep on downplaying the need to combat inflation. He believes it's just one of many issues that are going to resolve themselves in the new year. And he believes that consumers need to be aided in the economy. So he's intent on continuing to lower rates, despite most economists believing that the economy actually needs higher interest rates to battle off excess consumption.